naman. So, kakagising ko dyan. What's up sa inyo, guys? So, kakagising ko lang. So, maglalaro ulit tayo ng Abel Nessa, The Cursed Place. So, let's play. So, choose the mode, Classic. In this mode, the enemy is only one. It is Abel Nessa. The character has no health bar. In this mode, there are 2 enemies. In this mode, there are 3 enemies. So, nakibibinyayin natin. So, classic lang tayo. Hindi ko kayo may humahabol sa akin. Ay, tika lang, hindi ko pa nabasa. Nagre-restart pa talaga eh. I set her free. She attacked me. But I did not die, right? But I do not understand what was happened. I was unconscious and I had a strange dream. In that dream, I was in a strange and terrible place. To get out of there, I had to collect 4 skulls, take them to the church and burn them there. But every time it was she, Abel Nessa, who hampered me. Okay. So, open the door, open sesame. Wow, the labas is so blue. Blue? Blue? Huh, blue? This place is very similar to the place from my dream. But how do I get here? After all, I was in a completely different place. Whatever it is, I try to find the skulls. Babasa pa eh! So, we keep running. Okay, so running lang tayo. Open the door, open sesame. Wow! 1 door, may nahanap tayong skull. Okay. Wow! What is this? What the frick is this? Grabe naman yung sound effect nito. Parang may mga nasa sa likod ko. Hello, you're so cute naman. What? Grabe, ano na kayo? What kind of place was it? Anyways, I came back now. I have 1 skull and I should fix. Babasa pa! Sa bagay, mabagal ako magbasa. Okay, so next house. Wow, next house has 2nd skull. Okay. Oh, what is that blocks? That blocks is very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. Right? That blocks is so beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I did not die. Kailangan ko na tapusin ito. Takot na ako sa sound effect nito. Parang may mga gata sa likod ko eh. Pero ang galing yung director nito ah. Pinakreepy niya yung laro. No? Pinakreepy. Ano nangyari? Ganyan. Ang galing yung developer nito ah. Pinakreepy yung laro. Huwag mo akong sigawan dyan. I'm more skulls collected. I should rather find remaining 2 skulls. Okay. I have a kawaii sneeze. So next house. Okay, so di pa siya nagpapakita si Abel Nessa. And then, CR. Punta tayo CR. Wala rin dito sa CR. CR, give me something that I needed. Wala! Sko. Wala naman din pala. Eh? So dito sa waiting. Wala. And then, dito kaya. Dito. Meron dito. Give me something. Give me. Ayaw nyo ah. Para kayo dyan. Ayaw mamigay ah. Ayaw mamigay ah. And then, I need to go to the another house. Another house? And then, next house. Next house, empty house. Come on, please give me something! And, hallway. Oh, okay. Dito tayo sa kabila tayo. Sa kabila nga sabi, ba't mo ko inarangan? Hindi, empty na naman! And, next house. Daanan ko na ito kanina. Okay, next house. Wow, there is my car. That's my car. So, wow! Alam ko may secret dito sa likod na baton to eh. Nilalaro ko tong laro na to dati eh. And then, may nakita akong secret dito eh. Next house! Open sesame! Ay! Empty! Lahat na lang empty! Ayun, may skull siguro to. Laki ng bahay eh. Okay. Hello po. Dito lang po ako para kunin po yung skull nyo. Wala. Bala kayo dyan. Ay, nung mamigay ako. Bala kayo dyan. Next house. Ayun. Namimigay naman din pala kayo eh. Ba't tayo nang bigay? Wow, what is this place? Wow. Ito na naman itong sound effect na to. Kumakaano eh. Wala. Kaya naman. Hello. I should find one more skull. Okay, isa na lang kailangan. And then, asan na yun? Where is it? Where is it? Ayun. Yung malaki na bahay. Siguro meron silang skull. Laki-laki na bahay nyo! Wala yung skull! Oh! There you are! Okay. Hala. Wala, paano tayo makakadaan dito? What is that? What is that? Tutulak ba to? Ayun. Tutulak mo naman din pala eh. Ba't di niya sinasabi sa akin? Okay. Final skull. What is happening? Hala, lumilindol! Hala! 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 All four skulls are collected. I should take the skulls to the church and burn them. Okay. Kailangan natin sunugin tong mga skull na to sa simbahan. Okay. Ayun natin yung simbahan. Ayun, yung simbahan. Okay, lumilindol na! Kailangan natin pa-stop yung lindol. I have to follow the skulls and burn them. Woohoo! I finally finished the game! I have managed to get rid of the desired nightmare. My house in the country was put up for sale. Woo! Deserve! End of the game. Yun na yun? I guess, meron pang isa pang game na ganito. Meron pang game na ganito. Di ako susuko. Di ako susuko tapos na tong laro na to, be. Okay, so, sana nag-enjoy kayo. So, please like and subscribe for more latest videos. Bye!